Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting better. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown.
It has power and a full tank of gas.
Right.
Or water.
Oh, I'm sure it's water. Do all the lights work? Oh, that's a good test.
Was this thing even flooded?
There's water in the horn.
Headlights work, there's no fogginess in them. That one doesn't, but that's common.
Dude, I say we just do a fluid change on this thing.
Damn,
Oh my god, that's a lot of fucking water.
Today's a water day, bro.
Anybody thirsty? And that is why I wanted to drop the pan.
It's kind of sludgy, really just like on the inside of the... Well, that too, but pull that out.
This was in the oil pickup tube. This is part of your gallery gasket.
No way.
So whatever happens with this, I mean the motor's got 214,000 miles on it. There's 20% of the gallery gasket right here. There's water in it. The odds aren't looking very good for this one.
What was that?
That was starter? I don't think so. That sounded very abrupt though. That sounded like motor locking up.
I feel like the starter just fucked again.
You think so?
I think it's the starter. I think if we pull the cats out, give it the freedom to spit out as much as it needs to spit out from the manifolds and the starter. That did sound a lot starter. And honestly, Zach said starter from the beginning, and I'm kind of like starter.
It's like coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Back to the starter. Snapped off.
Never seen this happen before.
I've never seen that happen either.
It would be nice after all this if this actually like worked. Yeah, it like worked.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh, what was that?
Dude, I don't fucking know what that sounded. What was that doing?
That's just me doing it.
Oh. Oh, your Noku's smoking.
I made it sound like it was starting,
The
but
Noku's smoking. Feel how hot the wires are.
damn.
Motor is done. Motor's done. Well, since it's on my left, you want to throw the 55k mile on it or what?
Yeah, why not?
Save it?
Save a Nismo 350Z in less than 24 hours.
Oh, that shit done tomorrow.
Done. Let's go.
What time is it?
4:30.
I'll have it done by 4:30 tomorrow.
He's a liar. All right,
$100.
4:30 today. In 24 hours, we're doing the Nismo swap. He said it's a $100 bet. All right, let's do it.
So if you don't do it,
No, but the cool thing is we actually have it, and it's complete with the trans and everything.
If I don't do it, then I have to give him $100.
Oh, he's definitely gonna be able to do it. I don't even
I'm
doubt. I
recording
don't
this.
doubt him one bet. Like not one bit.
Should we up the betting because we all know
Why?
that I can
Because
do it.
yeah, you're gonna do it. So why would I up the?
No, not up the bet. I'm saying up the time
No.
by noon.
Shit, if you can do it by noon, that's $200 bet.
Alright.
He's gonna come at 6 a.m. Watch.
oh, that's true.
I'm not in competition with my homies, I'm whipping in competition in the boat. I knew my opposition never knew me, they wouldn't be opposition if they know me. I made a proposition to my hitters, I told them knock it down if you owe me. I did the side round, hit them, we moving, got pounds in the 40, them niggas got...
What time did you start this morning?
I got here at like 6:30.
You trying to win the bet.
I'm going to. I'm not trying to. I'm going to.
New engine is already in. The heck?
Yes, sir. Just got to put the harness through the engine bay, hook up the positive leads, gas, coolant. She's done. Are you surprised?
Not really.
Sorry.
inspecting all the other things that we need to pay attention to, because like these rocker moldings are really expensive. This bracket to the rocker molding is ripped. There's obviously a lot of cosmetic that we're going to be like looking into, and that's the whole part of the restoration. Like that's the whole really part of the saving the Nismo versus just scrapping it and getting rid of it. Obviously it has 214,000 miles on the chassis, but we're gonna restore this thing to like a brand new from inside and out. We were thinking about doing the VR swap into this one, but Sheldon convinced me to do it on the black one and just leave this one pretty much just as a restored Nismo. And you know, like I've just noticed in the Z culture, like it's actually cool to just rebuild. It doesn't really matter if it's high mileage at this point.
There's only 1,600 of these made.
Yeah.
How many are already dead?
Yeah.
So
at least half, I would say.
600 to 800 left.
Probably.
And we got 2 of them.
And I might go buy another one. Look at this. It's gonna be cool just showing you guys like how we are able to just restore and bring this bumper back to life and the paint back to life. It is 11:53.
Only have 7 minutes of grace if something doesn't work.
He said by 12 he'll have it swapped up.
What's up? What's up?
It feels really good to see that happen.
How do you feel? Told you I was gonna have it. Nothing electrical is damaged, which I am blown away with.
Yeah, nothing. So like the water must have been pretty high because the exhaust is filled with like rocks and stuff. So like the radio's working, speakers are working. Nothing seems off, so that's pretty cool to see. It's cool seeing this happen because we get so many Zs that have blown motors or something, and we end up parting them out and getting rid of them. There aren't many Zs that we get that just we decided to throw in a new motor, new trans, and just get it up and running again. But this is just to show you guys how easy it is, pretty much. You could do a swap like this as well. You can pretty much give us a call, ask for a HR motor with a manual trans harness, and pretty much get these swaps turnkey and ready for your car. So give us a call if you're looking for anything like this. Yeah, happened in less than 8 hours.
Hi.
What you doing?
Oh, just trying to bleed the clutch. I'm getting some, Sheldon.
You are?
Yeah.
Good.
How's the test drive?
Great. So yeah, it ripped for sure. So that was step 1 to this Nismo I call it a rebuild, kind of like just
Bring it back to life?
bring it back to life. The thing is with like these cars is like might be at 211, but it's gonna be so nice to like put back all the broken pieces.
You know what this one drives like? This one drives like the green car. No noises.
It's the stock suspension.
It's like, it rides good, no noises, no clicks, no nothing, and we haven't even looked at any of it.
Yeah,
Like, literally, did the motor and slapped everything back in and it drives great.
perfect.
Steering wheel's not even crooked.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
So we're gonna be getting the paint done, getting everything stripped out. Watch out for episode 2.